Hello everyone. I am gonna go to all the sectors and see how we are doing, how the sectors are doing in relative to S&P and which ones are trending better and which ones are, having a reversal. This is a 150-day moving average, which seems to be showing pretty good signs of whether it's an uptrend or downtrend. So let's start with utilities. It's been an uptrend, and this year it has been not doing so good, at least not yet. It's been weaker. The same with staples, and this is healthcare. It's been sideways for a while now. That's almost, I mean, we did not have a downtrend, so that's almost a year of sideways move. So we don't know where this is gonna go. Either it breaks lower, and it could be a stage four. This could be stage two, three, and probably four, or this could be stage one, and this could move higher. And this is industrials. Industrials have done much better after October. It was the fastest or really the sharpest move. We had a smaller pullback. I mean, I was expecting, even for Caterpillar and Cummins and many of these industrials, I was expecting a much deeper pullback. It did not happen. This could still move higher. Housing has been doing very well. If you see the lows for many of the other sectors, lows were made in October, even for S&P. But for housing, lows happened in July, and we had a higher low in October. And then this is obviously extended. And many of the sectors that in the last few weeks are extended, and pullbacks makes a lot of sense. XRD, it turned around, and this is the 150 is also moving higher now. This is XLK. This is technology. We had a huge move in just this year. We had a huge move. XLF. This looks much better. I mean, if you look at it, this is not a perfect head and shoulders, but this could be a shoulder. This could be a shoulder, and it's moving better. I mean, it's moving or breaking out of this range, and it's moving higher. That's one of the reasons why I bought JP Morgan. XLE, this could probably come back and test the 150 and probably break down or move higher. That's the inflection point right now. We do not know. And among XLE, we have OIH, okay, which is stronger, XOP, which is a little weaker. Both are energy, but those industries are keeping it, to the sideways. We don't know what's going to happen next, but we'll see. Uh, materials have done really well, since this is also because dollar has gone down significantly since from the highs. It came back, tested the 150. Now it's moving higher. A pullback may or may not happen. I think this mostly depends on what happens to dollar. We'll see. IBB, this is also much similar to the head and shoulders pattern which we have just seen, and with the financials. So it's breaking above that. This is all the supply is gone now, so it's breaking out of this range. XBI, it is also biotech, small cap biotech. IBB is large cap. XBB, it's turning around, but this is much weaker than IBB. This is SPX. Yeah, we are going through SPX almost every day. The downtrend is broken. The 150-day is turning around. This could move sideways for a while, and just like this, it could move sideways for a while and move higher. MDI, this is mid cap. Mid cap has done really, really well since the lows. Let's look at this. That's a 25% move from the October lows. That's a big move. Let's look at S&P once. It's about 20%. So mid cap is doing much better than S&P 500. This is small cap, this move is really, really fast. And yeah, a little bit of pullback makes sense to at least to these levels. See, but when we had a correction the way we had the last year, there is a possibility that this may move sideways. I mean, this applies to all the sectors that have moved higher. They can either come back, pull back a little, or they can move sideways and then break higher. If it moves sideways and breaks higher, that will be really bullish. Now, this is the S&P growth. I mean, it's still in the early stages of reversal. This could take a while. And this is the value which has done really, well since 2021. Okay. It came back, tested this. I don't know if this is going to top out. If money moves into growth, yeah, this might top out. So far this has been rejected, but if it breaks above that, yeah, there's no topping. So we'll see what happens there. We talked about OIH and XOP. I guess that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you.